So what we're doing for the upcoming testing journey, we actually have changed all the fluids, gone over the car, checked all the brakes, the axles, suspension components, and made sure the functions and the fluids, the service maintenance is up to scratch before we head off. And now we're also preparing the vehicle with some temperature probes to monitor temperatures like under the bonnet, air intake, axle temperatures, exhaust temperatures, so we can get a good idea about how the vehicle's operating in extreme temperatures.
With vehicle preparations complete, the Grenadier Trails team stopped by the Sanderson 2B tour to show eager South Australians the Grenadier prototype, ahead of their journey into some of South Australia's most testing conditions. Completing final checks and saying goodbye to Sanderson, the Grenadier team headed 9 hours west to Ceduna, the starting point of Goods Track and the beginning of the trail.